guys, now I will discuss the most difficult question asked to me in my Telegram or Instagram channel. These are from Biostatistics. These are numericals which are very difficult for some students, so I am going to explain them to you, right? And if you have any doubt, if you want me to answer any of your question, you can always message me on my Instagram or my Telegram. So it's the first question. In this, the actual number of malaria cases reported during the last 10 years in a town is given below: 250, 320, 190, 300, 5000, 100, 260, 350, and so on. And they want us to find out the average. Just make sure this is the average number of malaria cases reported in the town during the last 10 years. The most appropriate measure will be the for the data. They want us to find out the central tendency, right? But the problem is when we look at it, like, which is the first question? These numbers given, right? Total by 10 is given. They are asking you the average. You will be like, the obvious answer is arithmetic mean. Hope so, right? That's what we think. Obvious answer is arithmetic mean. That is the problem. For example, let me give an example. You want to find out the average for it is the average. Like, for example, there are 5 students, and these are all the marks they gain. Is this the average is 21? It is the mid range of this? No, because the only one number shifted the entire conversation to the upper limit only, right? It just that would deviation, that would mean everything is elevated to the 100. So in this case, you can see the upper limit is 5000, the lowest most is 250, and rest all of them are just below 500. So whatever the mean will be, it will be more shifted toward the 5000. So will it be the exact value? No, the correct answer going to be median. For the median only, you will be able to find out the central tendency, right? So always remember, for normal scenario, average will be mean. But if difference between upper limit and lower limit is large, the best measure for central tendency is median. Best measure will be median, not the mean. Remember that, right? So here's the next question. Same mean value of the weight of a group of 10 boys is found out to be 18.2. So they given the mean. Mean is, right? Later it was found out that one of the boys were wrongly recorded as 2 kg. So in this 18.2, there is one unit which is 2 kg, right? Which was supposed to be 20 kg, which was wrongly marked and become 2 kg, right? So they want us to find out what will be the true mean. What will be the true mean of the group, right? So in this, one unit is wrong. So we have to find the total weight. So what will be the total weight of students? Total weight of all students, right? It will be mean times number of students, basically 182. Now we know that one of the student weight was 20 kg, but it is recorded as 2 kg. So he was recorded 18 kg less than the required. So we have to just add. It's supposed to be 20, but you are only recorded as 2 kg. So we have to add 18 kg more. Now we can just find out the total value, which is going to be 200. And for number of students is the 10. So the true mean will be 20. So true mean will be the 20, right? We just have to add the leftover weight. It was the 18 kg more, which we have to add, right? So here's the next question. In the 60 values are arranged in the ascending order, right? If the 16 values are arranged in the ascending order, middle value is going to be, it's an obvious, which will be the middle value? Median. Simple. Median will be the middlemost value. right? When they ask you the average, it's going to be mean. They ask you the average but large difference, answer is median. They ask you the middle value, answer will be the median. They ask you the most frequent value, answer will be the mode. It is very basic, right? So the next question, it is also a very beautiful question. Measurement of blood pressure in which type of data? Which type of data? It can be like, when we divide our data, they are nominal and ordinal. What is the difference? These both data are quantitative data. Nominal is when you arrange them in order, right? When you name them, but there is no fixed order. When there is no fixed order. Ordinal is when there is naming plus fixed order, right? For example, boys and girl, right? Boys can be arranged, girls can be arranged in either you can write boys first or you can write girl first. But for example, in this, like for example, say stage 1 cancer, stage 2 cancer, 3 cancer. Can stage 3 cancer occur before stage 1? No. Stage 1 always going to be precede the stage 2 and then only the stage 3 will come. They have to follow the fixed order. That is ordinal data. What is interval data? When there is a small amount of interval, they will jump, right? For example, even numbers, right? Even numbers 2, 4, 6, they're jumping something, right? They're jumping, right? So continuous data where data is coded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Fixed data. So it's going to be like when you measure the blood pressure, it's just always measure 1, 2, 3 to fix, right? It's a continuous data. Right? What else are the continuous data? What all are the continuous data? Weight is a continuous data. Height is a continuous data. Pulse rate, respiratory rate is a continuous data. Blood pressure is a continuous data. Body temperature is a continuous data, right? And if you talk about others data, like for example, they say type of cells, red, RBC, WBC, that's a nominal data, right? That's a nominal data. Now we will move to next question. They'll ask you which is the true among given data. 20, 31, 31, 31, 25, 28, 35, 35. They're asking you answer. They're asking you among the following data, either which one the mean is the 31, range is the 20 to the 38, median is the 15 or mode is the 15. So if we just arrange them in order, 20, then we have 25, then we have 28, right? Then we have 31, 31, 31, 31, then we have 35, we have 38, right? So if we just look at the median is it 15? Median is not 15, cancel out. Mode, is it 15? No, mode is cancel out. If you look at the median is 31, mode is 31 also because it's the maximum numbers there. They ask you the mean is the mean is 31. We just have to sum up the everything and we divide it, we can find out. But how the issue between these two, mean or range? we can say the range is between 20 to 38. It is correct. What about the mean? Is the mean 31? No, the mean is not 31. You can even calculate. So the answer is B. You can range is very easy. Just the first number and the last number. That is your range.